Alright, so it's just a quick unboxing video. Got some shit in the mail. You see 1, 2, 3, 4 different boxes. So I'm just gonna open these up, show you what I got, and tell you what I plan on doing with this shit. So go ahead and show you. Alright, so this first box. Alright, so yeah, first box right here, you see I got this degreaser, and I believe this is Chemical Guys. Yeah, Chemical Guys degreaser. I got this off Amazon, so let me just show y'all real quick. Oh, fuck. Alright, so yeah, you see my one video, you know this can shit came loose and it got oil all under here. But not only just because of that, you see it's dirty. Sun not really shining on it, but yeah, it's dirty under here. So every couple thousand miles you want to spray some type of degreaser over this whole engine bay right here and hit it with a high pressure wash just to knock this shit off, and then hit it with a towel and dry it off. So don't just dry your shit and then don't ever clean under the hood. So get you some degreaser, and every 1,000 miles just go ahead and hit this with a high pressure wash and clean that up. So that's what this right here for. Like I said, I got this off Amazon. I think it was 10 bucks, Chemical Guys. And next thing, I got this Shine Armor Scratch Revive Cleaner Remover shit. So over the car you can't really tell, it's real dirty right now, but it's like a couple of scratches like this. Like I said, I don't know if it's picking up in the camera because I can't see, but it's a couple of scratches over the car. I've seen a couple of people use this online and help them out. It basically blends the scratches in with the paint, as well as like restore the color and put a shine to it. So that's that. So that was in the first box right there. Scratch Revive Shine Armor degreaser. Like I said, you got a car, make sure you clean up under the hood. Don't just fucking drive the car and never clean under the hood. So that's the first box. It's just a bunch of towels, and this one right here. I ordered a bundle set with this scratch renewal and these towels right here. And I got this quick coat. This is like a kind of like a ceramic, or you say spray wax, whatever. You see Waterless Wash, Shine and Protect quick coat. So basically you spray this over your car, it gives it a shine and helps it repel you know, dust, water and shit like that. The wind just picked up. So yeah, this is basically a bundle right here. This Shine Armor plus these towels right here plus this right here. Alright, and last thing, fucking damn truck across the street started cutting the tree down and shit, so I stopped the video. But anyway, last thing, got the Wicker build right here. You know, it's just like the protective tape on the side. It's normally black, 2-piece Wicker build, ZL1 add-ons. There's little tools that come with it. So I'm getting this put on either this week or the top of the next week. Like I said, car dirty as shit right now. I'm about to wash it tomorrow in the morning, and I'll be using this, doing a video on that, show y'all how that works, and doing a video on the engine bay cleaning. So I'm gonna get this installed, Wicker build installed. You know, it goes right here. I also got this sticker, which I'm probably gonna redo it. So once I put my Wicker build on here, put the sticker right here on the middle part. So like somewhere like this, like right in the middle, somewhere like that. I don't know, I may redo it and actually put the Instagram logo and then Lost Victory, and that's that. So like, if you're not following my car club Instagram, make sure you follow that now. Lost Victory, it's down in the description, be in the video. That's pretty much it. Just a quick video showing y'all
what I got in the mail. I got some more packaging coming, plus more videos, so stay tuned. That's pretty much it.
Was on my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice, I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Look, reached every goal I actually set, I had to sit back down and rearrange that list, nigga. Look, and now I'm out here getting